Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So how are you all? Hope you are very well today, guys. I have shared with you more fantastic and gorgeous videos. You look so amazing designs, and this video is all about the decor, more attractive decorations, designs, decorations ideas, and decor talks. This video is amazing and amazing designs for gardens with gardens designs, decorations designs ideas for backwards designs ideas were uploaded. More fantastic and gorgeous videos are elegance designs, elegance videos. You look so amazing and perfectly designs, perfectly ideas, and amazing designs, amazing ideas were uploaded. More elegance designs, elegance videos, and different gorgeous videos are you there. More fantastic designs, so I will keep more attractive, more elegant videos. You look so amazing and perfectly ideas, perfectly videos, so I will keep more stunning, more perfectly designs, perfectly ideas, and amazing videos for backwards gardens, for different plants, aloe vera, herbs, and different and amazing gorgeous different grass like so elegant videos. For more stunning ideas, stunning videos were uploaded for you, and I will keep more attractive, more perfectly designed, so I requested all of you. So back to your channel. So different types and decorations designs were uploaded for you, and so I will keep more attractive, more fabulous ideas in this video. So I requested all of you to subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon and hit the button of all notifications for more elegance and more perfectly designs, perfectly ideas. This is so gorgeous, and I will keep more stunning, more elegant designs. So let's go, inshallah. We will meet again in the next video. Do not forget to subscribe if you guys are interested in my videos in my channel for getting more attractive, more stunning and fabulous ideas. So I am waiting for this comment. So thanks for watching our videos. Thanks once again. Take care yourself. Keep watching us videos and stay with me. Thanks for watching. Thanks once again. Take care yourself. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye. Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So how are you all? Hope you are very well today, guys. I have shared with you
Thanks for watching our
more
videos.
fantastic and gorgeous videos. You look so amazing design.